All right, so this example has a few more facets to it. So it is 8 6/10 divided by 6/100. And in order to complete this problem, still need to go through the same process. Okay, and I need to get my decimals started dancing. So this decimal is going to go 2 places to the right so that it can end up right in front of that front door. Important first step. And if this one moves 2 places, this one has to move. That's right, 2 places. Fill in this gap with a 0 and move my decimal straight up. Same beginning process. So now I'm looking at it as if it's 860 divided by 6. And my decimal is right here. This is a whole number. And I need to go ahead and put my decimal and move it straight up. So 6 does go into 8. And when I use 6 things, I have 2 left over. Bring down the 6. And 6 times what is as close as I can get to 26 without going over? That's right, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract. Bring down. If I have 20, or 6 times what is as close as I can get to 20 without going over? And that would be 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract. And I have a remainder. But as we discussed last week, we are not dealing with remainders in 6th grade anymore. So we actually need to add a 0. Bring that down. And ask ourselves, how many 6 times what is as close as I can get to 20 without going over? It's still 3. And you should notice that this is going to repeat over and over and over again. I'm having that deja vu moment where I keep doing the same problem and the same thing keeps happening. So I can assume at this point in time that this is going to keep repeating. Okay? There's nothing that leads me to believe that 20 minus 18 is going to be different than 2. So the way that I write that is I write 143.3 and I put a repeating bar over the 3. I don't typically write it as 143 with the 3 repeating. It's just not standard mathematical practice. So again, if I have a repeating digit, I go ahead and put my decimal and write the digit in the 10ths place. And then I put the repeating bar over the digit that's in the 10ths place. I don't typically put it over the digit in the 1s place. It's just confusing. And you could be, the information could be misinterpreted. So this is proper format. That is not. Pretty amazing.